Warning, this video may contain scenes that some viewers may find disturbing.
And now walking.
Want to move up, David?
The Terminator survives.
This is what happens when you play Terminator.
Why would you do that to yourself?
The Terminator received hundreds of battle wounds throughout his back and arms and forehead, causing him to bleed.
And if you're not sure what Terminator is, you can't get killed, but you can kill everybody else. How did that feel, killing everybody?
It was nice, you know.
How did it feel getting hit and not getting killed?
Not good. Definitely not good.
So would you recommend anybody else to be a Terminator?
Yes.
Okay, good.